Let's make Chinese-style barbecue pork, starting with 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup oyster sauce, 1/4 cup hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 1 teaspoon pink salt, 1 teaspoon 5 spice, and 1/4 cup of Shaoxing wine. I also added 1 tablespoon of onion powder and about 2 drops of food coloring red. Mix well, set aside about 3 tablespoons on another cup, and add honey. I used about 1/2 tablespoon of honey. This will give our barbecue pork a shiny glaze. Let's prepare our meat. I used 3 pounds of pork butt, slice them into 2 inches thickness, and marinate inside a Ziploc overnight in the refrigerator.